Celebration of Teachers' Day in school by staff reporter 6th September, Nashik. On 5th September, 2024 Thursday, Adarsh School in Nashik organized Teachers' Day on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, former President of India. All students decorated their classrooms and gave their teachers a bouquet of roses. After the morning assembly, the Teachers' Day program was scheduled to start. Along with the teachers, the principal, vice principal and the chairperson of the school's management committee were also present at the function. The function started with the students of class 6 singing Saraswati Vandana and dancing beautifully with it. Soon after that, a student of class 8 gave a speech on why we celebrate Teachers' Day and how Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan contributed to society. Soon after the speech, Miss Devika, the principal of Adarsh School, gave a speech thanking and appreciating all the teachers for their hard work and dedication, and for their role in helping the school achieve new heights. At the end of the speech by the principal, the students of class 9 and 10 performed a comedy drama that everyone enjoyed. The program ended with the head boy and head girl thanking the teachers for their efforts in shaping the life of students and inspiring them.